Havells 5-in-1 Hair Straightener. Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit is best hair straightener and best hair styler for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. With Havells 5-in-1 Hair Styler, Straightener you will get the styling you want in a matter of minutes with the ceramic-coated straightener. The coating ensures uniform distribution of heat, giving you a superior control over your hair for a frizz-free smooth and shiny texture. PTC heater for uniform heating. The ceramic-coated plates provide the perfect temperature for the smoothest glide over your hair and a tangle-free experience. On-off power button for convenient operation. High performance of Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit. Continued peak operating temperature of 190 for perfect results with minimal damage to the hair. With this best hair straightener, get that frizz-free wavy hair that stays all day long. Create beautifully sculpted and stylish patterns of hair with the provided interchangeable plates. 19mm curler. The curler lets you style your hair to become bouncy and beautiful. It is wide enough to accommodate any hair length and type. Conical curler. From tight ringlets to loose, create a variety of curls and waves and add volume to your hair for a bouncy natural look. Brush comb, a best hair styler. Use the brush comb for a flawless and professional looking hair styling. It is designed for all hair types and lengths. Each styling attachment has a ceramic coating for optimal heating performance, which ensures outstanding results along with minimal damage to the hair. The styling kit is compatible with worldwide voltage standard of 240 volts. This makes it a convenient travel companion for instant styling in any part of the world. Havells 5-in-1 Hair Straightener. Havells 5-in-1 Multi-Styling Kit is best hair straightener and best hair styler for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.